so that you can capitalize on it when you arrive in that time frame. Conversely, when you're in a soft shoulder period, you need to unconstrain your demand. And by that, we're talking about really making it as simple and as easy for your guests or prospective guests to purchase from you. Don't go onto a search and look at 35 or 355 establishments in your area. It becomes analysis paralysis. You won't see the wood for the trees, but select for yourself 5 competitors plus yourself as being a group that is the most like for like competitors.
Fantastic. And there's so many people that will be listening to this, they'll be scribbling notes and notes and notes away. So as always, this full transcript from this interview, will be on the Boostly blog. Go to boostly.co.uk/podcast, click on this episode, and you can get the full transcript with all the links to everything that we've talked about. But before we finish, I just want to talk about pricing tools, because it's something that is going to become a bit of a buzzword, I believe, in 2020. We've got things like AirDNA, Price Labs, and there's many, many other. Now, when it comes to location pricing rates, do you have a favorite tool? And if so, what are they that you use in your day-to-day?
The tool I use on a day-to-day basis is something called HQ Plus. This is a tool that will give you, it's a gift, really. Yes, it's a chargeable thing that they obviously invoice for on a monthly basis, but it gives you the price, it gives you the demand per day in your marketplace, and you set up your competitors, your chosen competitors into that tool, and it will give you the competitors' pricing on a daily basis, so you can map quite easily and see quite easily where you fit against that competitor pricing. It will also give you the events in your location that will impact the demand. So if you're in a major town or city centre that has got large events, that marathons and running events or sporting events, entertainment events, things like that can impact the demand for your property. Those are already listed and they get updated regularly into this HQ Plus tool. So that's my lifesaver, really. That's my day-to-day go-to place to double check where things are. On top of that, of course, it's I use for some of the more established